Guys, and welcome back. So on today's video I will be showing you how I blow my hair out. It's currently blown out, but it's been 2 weeks now, so you can see it's quite oily and dirty, but I have been oiling it. I use amla oil, this one. You can get it at Clicks, Discam, any Indian shop, any spice shop, China Mall, anywhere you can get it, and it's nice and cheap and it works. So before I wash my hair, I like to leave it on for like a few days, and I've just put on a little bit more now, and I comb it out with this comb, just focusing on the roots, just to get the oil in, but also to prepare my scalp for the shampoo. I don't think I'm gonna show you how I wash my hair or include that in this video because it's in the video that's previous. The previous video is a demonstration of how I wash my hair, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so my hair is washed now. This is what I use to part my hair. This is what I use to blow my hair out with. Do not judge me. I think it's plastic or silicone. I'm not too sure. It works amazing. I love it for my hair. Obviously, I want to invest in a like commercial brush for blowing hair. Yeah, but for now, I've been using this. I've been using this for a very long time and it works. So trust the process. And then this is my hair dryer. It's very old. I think it used to be my sister's. I'm not too sure if it was my mom's first, then my sister's. But anyway, my sister gave it to me. She's had it forever, and I've had it for, I think, more than 4 or 5 years now. So it's really old, but it's good. And then to straighten my hair, I use this Babyliss Paris. I bought this at Clicks. I think it was 2016, 2017, somewhere around there. It was like 250 rand or like 200 rand at the time. So I just mostly focus on the root, get the root nice and straight. The ends I don't really care about too much because that's what the straightener is for. So yeah. So every time I use my straightener, I like to clean it first with just cotton bud. I just spray it with water and then I clean just like this, especially the edges, because sometimes if you have product on your hair, or like maybe you have product buildup but you don't know that you do, and usually you can tell if the straightener is smoking. It does naturally smoke, obviously, because it's burning your hair, but if it's smoking a lot, then it's definitely oils or like product buildup or just stuff on your scalp. So I just do that, and yeah, it's clean. I need it longer. So what I do to keep the straightened hair sleek, because my hair can get puffy really quickly, but the weather's good today, so that's not gonna happen, hopefully. So yeah, you just roll up a silk scarf or anything like polyester, anything that feels like silk. And you just tie it in a bow really tight, just like that. Keeps the hair nice and sleek. Last 2 pieces. Try not to do too much. And that's it. I don't know how long I've been doing my hair for. Maybe it's been an hour, hour and a half. That's usually how long I take to do my hair. But thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to be more active on YouTube this year, especially with like skin and hair and just overall taking care of yourself type of content. But also like bits and pieces of my life, especially on my shorts. Like there you'll see like modeling or like a nice night out or things to do in Joburg. So yeah, let me know what type of content you'd like to see, and if you enjoyed this video, once again, please show it some love, give me a thumbs up, and see you soon.